Okay, guys, this is Jeff Jones. I am a spokesman for theboxmen.com, where we've changed the way you should watch TV. And our website is www.theboxxmen.com. We are theboxmen.com. And in this video, we're going to take a look. I had a couple of questions, just one question from one of our uh, current customers, Mr. Torrance, John Torrance. He asked about how he can record on a Formuler Z10 SE, and he was having trouble. So this is what this video is about. How can we record on the Formula Z10 SE? And we're going to get right into it right now, and we'll be back. All right, guys, I am back, and as you can see, I'm on my Formula Z10 SE that I call the 8-Ball Live, and you can see that well, if you don't know, this is the schedule manager. I have a live TV program that I'm going to record using their DVR function on their device, and this is the Formula Z10 SE. And I want to answer Mr. Torrance's question. So at 8:30 Pacific Standard Time, I am going to let the box do what it does. Now, if you're going to record, one of the things you need to understand, or hopefully you understand, you have to have a stable internet connection. If you have a choppy internet connection, it's going to break the connectivity and you're not going to be able to record. The second thing is, if you're leaving the location at where you're going to be recording the content, then you need to leave at least the box on. If you turn the device off, it will not be able to record because it's not connected to the internet, so on and so forth. You can turn your smart TV or your TV off, and you should do the trick. So, or that should do the trick. So let's go ahead and wait a few more minutes. Let's go into this part of the video and let's record one of my favorite shows on the Formula Z10 SE, just to see if Mr. Torrance is correct. And if he's not, that's okay. At least we'll learn together. So stay tuned for the last part of the video. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are back, and as you hopefully can see, in the recording section of the Formula Z10 SE, I have recorded back in June the US Travel Channel there, 1 minute and 32 seconds, but I want to show you that I recorded All Hail the Planet on the device, and I'm going to see if it's going to play for the first time. So I'm going to press OK, and as you can see, it is definitely playing. I'm probably going to blur this out, but I am able to record on the Z10 SE. It has the functionality in the box itself, so it's not something that you have to manufacture or do anything different. So I just want to be able to show that, because Mr. Torrance, John Torrance, was saying he was having more success with an external app called TV Mate, and that maybe he was using or whatnot. But I just wanted to show him and everyone else on the Z10 SE, if you follow the instructions that we gave, that we got from Formula's website, it's not something I magically made up. I followed what was taught to me. You should have recording success. If you're not having success, then it has to do with your network. And it normally starts and ends with your network. So I wanted to show this video that you are able to do it on this device anytime you want to. and it was easy for me to do it, and I show everyone else how to do it as well. So I do appreciate you taking the time and the moment to give me a little platform so I could speak into your lives. Now, speaking of devices, let's speak of devices. If you find yourself as a newer streamer, maybe you found this channel, maybe you were referred to the Boxman, we sell the best media devices along with support services to include internet streaming services, live TV that goes with the box that we get from the manufacturer, Formula, that we can sell you. Now, when you purchase something from us like that, we will give you 12 months tech support, 12 months customer support, and hardware support. That means if anything happens to the unit whatsoever, we'll replace it for free. At the end of that 12 months, you have the opportunity to continue your support services with us, like many people do, because we only resell you what we use. So we know what really works and we stay on in that vein. So the price for this unit that you're looking at right now is two payments of $117.50. You're looking at $235. That is inexpensive for what you just saw. If you can record your live TV shows to the box without having a cloud DVR, extra fees whatsoever, that is a win-win. If you're interested in learning more, how we have the best units out there, the easiest units out there, and the best tech support and customer support, give us a call or text us, and we would love, love, love to serve you. I'll put the link in the description for the best TV box that we have. Take a look at it. Ask us for the discount codes. We won't just